Hello MoxieLash from Bianca here. I am back, and today's video it's gonna be another makeup tutorial. Really easy. The main focus are gonna be the lashes, and I'm gonna show you our new Holiday Glam Kit, which is the perfect gift for holidays. So stick with me because it's gonna be really easy. Right, so today's look, it's gonna be extremely simple. It's gonna be all about the lashes. So I'm gonna go in with any highlighter, a pointy brush. I'm gonna top off the excess like I usually do, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of fizz on my inner corners. I just want to brighten up those inner corners, and I'm also gonna apply a little bit down the brows to lift that area some more. Up next, I'm going to be using one of the lashes from the Holiday Kit, which comes with the 3 most dramatic mink lashes in the whole collection: Money, Bossy, and Boujie. Also comes with the magnetic liquid liner and the lash applicator. So because I want this look to be all about lashes, I'm going to be using Boujie. Right, so first I'm going to go in with my magnetic liquid liner. I'm going to do a line across the lash line, and there's nothing better than the feeling of a new liner. I just love it. And I want to show you that you actually don't have to do any wing liner. You just can go with a simple line across your lash line, and that's it. I'm gonna double up the layer, and I'm gonna let this dry. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to allow the liner to dry like I usually do. I'm applying a coat of mascara on my top and bottom lashes. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my Boujie Lash, but because this lash runs a little bit bigger for my eye shape, I'm gonna trim this lash. What I'm gonna do is cut next to the 4 magnets, and I'm gonna be good to go. Now with the applicator, I'm going to apply my lash. Are you guys ready to see how beautiful and dramatic this lash is? Because I am. So, oof, she's already magnetizing. It's so incredible, you guys. Boom. Boom. And boom. Well, good to go. Lash is on. Oh my god, look at that, you guys. It's so big. Wow. Now I'm gonna go in with the other lash. Boom. And I'm just using my fingers so you guys can see that you can use whatever you prefer the most. And that's it. She's on, and I am ready to rock the holidays. And this is how our Boujie Lash looks like. It's so dramatic, full, and stunning. She is definitely Boujie. Alright, you guys, so this is the completed look. Hope you guys loved it. It's really easy. Everyone can achieve this look. All you gotta do is get your Holiday Glam Kit at MoxieLash.com, and I will see you until the next time.